Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best rain gauges in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Taylor 5-inch Capacity Jumbo Jar Rain Gauge Yellow. The Jumbo Jar Rain Gauge features a classic design in bold, bright color, extra-large, easy-to-read numbers, and a bright red floating indicator. The Jumbo Jar Rain Gauge is designed with a funnel filter to minimize debris and a removable threaded bottom cap for cleaning purposes. Perfect for any yard or garden, the Jumbo Rain Gauge can be mounted to almost any surface using the included bracket, or use the ground stake to mount directly in your lawn or garden. Whether you are a weather enthusiast or measuring rainfall for your garden, the Jumbo Jar Rain Gauge provides reliable results to make more accurate decisions. I really like this rain gauge. It was easy to mount on my garden stake. I also find it very easy to read from my porch window. If I had to get a new one, I would buy this one again. It is also accurate. Number 2. Acrylic 5 Capacity Easy to Read Magnifying Acrylic Blue 00800 and 50A3 Rain Gauge. Stop your search for an outdoor rain gauge. The Acrylic 5 at-home rain gauge is easy to read and compatible in any home. This jumbo rain gauge measures up to 5 inches of rainwater, and numbers are magnified for easy-to-read precision. Whether for home or office use, the Acrylic outdoor rain gauge is the perfect rain gauge for gardens, lawns, and any other yard needs. This wireless rain gauge is weather-resistant and holds up outdoors, as it is a plastic rain gauge and intended for long-term use. For flood monitoring and insight on when it might be time to water your garden again, consider Acrylic rain gauges around your home. We offer both simple and digital rain gauges, a self-emptying electronic rain gauge. Number 1. Acrylic Wireless Digital Rain Gauge with Self-Emptying Collector with Rainfall History, Alerts, and Current Date and Time 00899 Multicolor. The Acrylic Digital Rain Gauge with Self-Emptying Wireless Rain Collector features a rain meter to measure total rainfall measurements that report to the easy-to-read LCD display every 60 seconds. This digital rain gauge tracks rainfall history, including current rainfall events and 1 or 7-day measurements. This iteration of our mini home weather stations is a great large rain gauge for gardens and can be used as a lawn water gauge, allowing users to track how much rainfall their grass has accumulated. This Acrylic plastic rain gauge offers alarms for when rainfall starts, flood watch, and event rainfall alerts. The perfect garden rain gauges for protecting lawns and flower beds against overwatering. This rain gauge comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty.